Hey there, YouTube fam. We all love school, right? Nah, we don't. But we know the importance of learning new things. Why not skip the formal education and do some courses that has less fluff and directly impacts your goals or financial well-being, all for free? Today, we've got an exciting lineup of educational websites that can boost your learning journey and you don't have to spend a dime. Whether you're into coding, languages, photography, or music, we've got you covered. These websites are designed to cater to a broad range of groups, from students to professionals. Each platform has its own potential for users to either directly make money or develop skills that can lead to better financial opportunities. My bonus tip is a learning AI that has been completely changing how learning is being done, and it covers almost every single topic that you can think of. No, I'm not talking about ChatGPT. Please watch to the end, you don't want to miss any of this. Let's jump in. Starting off our list is Coursera. With a plethora of courses across numerous fields, Coursera connects you with top-tier universities and professionals from around the globe. So you may have heard about Coursera, but did you know a lot of the courses they offer are from some of the leading universities and industry experts? Coursera is a great platform for skill enhancement. You can use it to complement your degrees with programs designed to keep pace with rapidly changing industry needs. Coursera offers courses for in-demand skill areas. Coursera typically offers certificates of completion for courses. They also offer specialization and professional certificates. Certification comes at a cost, but it's completely your choice, and whether or not you get the certificate, you will still have all the knowledge that you would have gained. Coursera partners with esteemed universities and organizations, offering courses developed or vetted by recognized experts. Coursera also maintains high standards for course quality and regularly evaluates and updates contents to align with industry requirements. This may ensure you are in the top running at all times. Coursera offers courses from universities and organizations that can enhance skills and knowledge relevant to a user's profession, potentially leading to promotions, salary raises, new job opportunities. The knowledge from these courses can also allow you to branch out into freelance work, giving you a possible additional income or side hustle. Next up, Codecademy is your ultimate coding playground. Their user-friendly platform offers an extensive library of coding languages, enabling you to write code in real time. If you're looking to up your coding game, Codecademy is the perfect destination. Codecademy is free to use and you can learn as much as you want. However, they offer a pro membership which provides members with access to quizzes, projects, and certificates of completion for courses. Codecademy employs an interactive learning approach, enabling users to practice coding in real time, enhancing understanding and retention. Courses are designed in collaboration with industry professionals, ensuring that content remains relevant and up to date. A supportive community and active forums allow learners to seek help and guidance, adding to its credibility. Learning coding skills from Codecademy can open doors in freelance projects, software development jobs, or opportunities in tech-related fields that offers high financial compensation. If you're looking to learn a new language, Duolingo is a must-try. With its bite-sized lessons and gamified learning approach, Duolingo turns language learning into a fun and addictive experience. Start your linguistics journey and broaden your horizons with Duolingo. Duolingo offers a digital certificate of completion for completing a course in a specific language, free of cost. They also offer a paid service called Duolingo Plus. Duolingo's gamified approach to learning languages makes it engaging and effective, attracting a wide range of users. The platform incorporates scientifically proven language learning techniques, contributing to its credibility. Duolingo's popularity and millions of users worldwide who have successfully learned languages using the platform attest to its effectiveness. Mastering a language using Duolingo can enable users to offer language tutoring services or translation work, earning income based on their language proficiency. Lastly, we have TED, a hub for knowledge seekers. With a vast collection of educational videos featuring experts from diverse fields, TED delivers inspiring lessons on a plethora of topics. Expand your horizon and learn from the best with TED. TED doesn't offer formal certificates for course completion. The platform is more about providing educational content and resources. TED is an extension of TED, a globally recognized platform for sharing impactful ideas and knowledge. The platform covers a vast array of topics, providing learners with a broad spectrum of educational content. It offers curated videos and lessons created by experts, ensuring high quality and informative content. Learning from TED will inspire you to create educational content or presentations. It also develops public speaking skills, leading to opportunities for paid speaking engagements and even content creation ventures. Now for our bonus platform, tutorai. Tutorai is an AI-powered learning platform that will allow you to type in any subject or topic that you want to learn about, and I mean any topic you can think of. And then it provides you with various options to learn about that topic. The platform breaks down each topic into modules and lessons, making learning manageable and easier to understand. You can mark each lesson as complete. You can also request that the content be simplified. You can choose to take a quiz and ask questions. Tutorai AI covers a wide range of subjects and topics, for example, how to build a custom PC, hardware installation, programming languages, and a lot more. The platform is a useful tool for anyone who wants to learn something new or enhance their existing knowledge on a particular topic. It offers a personalized learning experience that adapts to each individual's pace and learning style. The website is easy to navigate, and users can access the platform and start learning immediately. The only drawback to tutorai is that it does not offer a certification, and the free version limits how many courses you can do, but the knowledge you can acquire is immense. There you have it, our list of incredible educational websites. Whether you're looking to expand your skill set, dive into a new hobby, or simply feed your curiosity, these platforms have something special for everyone. For the most up-to-date and detailed information on certificates and their availability on these platforms, I recommend visiting their respective websites and reviewing their course offerings and policies. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, live good, think good, and make good money.